everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today, guys, going to take a look at just a gorgeous 1966 Chevrolet True 138 Super Sport Chevelle Convertible. Killer car, guys, finished in Tuxedo black, beautiful paint. It's got the black interior, black convertible top. You can see it's got a set of, those are 18, I think they're 18 and 20s. I'll double check that. Billet Specialties with all new rubber. Recent body up restoration, guys. Very nicely done. Slick car, man. Good solid straight body. Man, just a pretty car. I got a partial video on this thing done the other day, and I was rushing, so I've told several guys that yes, I will get the full video done, so today's the day. Pretty car, not a whole lot to really nitpick on it. A couple of things we've ordered. It needs to do springs for the hood. They haven't come in yet. You can see it's got disc brakes. Again, killer set of Billet Specialty wheels. But just pretty car. Chrome and stainless is real nice. There's a couple of touch-up marks as we walk around it. I'll show you. Big block, 396 underneath the hood. I think it's like a 70s block, not the matching numbers block. Yeah, you can see a couple of little touch-up marks. Muncie 4-speed trans. Manual top. It goes up and down easy. You can see that paint is slick, man. Yeah, so another little touch up there. Good looking car, and again, a real super sport car. It's just a little water spot there. Again, nice and straight down the sides. Car sits good. Good sound and exhaust. It's just, again, this little water spot. That is a pretty car right there. And it's real. It's not a clone. Real SS, guys. Slotted and drilled rotors and converted to front disc brakes. That thing is pretty right there. Again, we've ordered the new springs for it. They're just on back order, but they say they'll be here pretty soon. Nothing crazy. 396 block. You can see it's got the dual feed 4-barrel aluminum intake. Does have a set of ceramic coated headers on it. HEI distributor. Power steering. Power front disc brakes. Aluminum radiator. Again, they've converted slotted and drilled rotors. Chrome air cleaner and valve covers. Muncie 4-speed manual trans. I mean, look at the paint. It is slick. Pillar chrome's pretty nice. Look at that. Oh, it's coming off. I don't know what it is. There's something on it. Chrome mirrors, new door handles, new door rubbers. Door skins are nice and clean. New door pads, new carpet. Bucket seats, console. It's got the little short throw Hurst shifter, wood wheel. Seats are nice. 63,825. That's supposed to be the original miles. They say there's not but a couple thousand miles on the restoration. You can see the dash pad is nice. It's got a Retrosounds radio. Dual exhaust, 12 bolt 331, so just a stock gear. It's just a low wax, guys. You can see it comes off. Pretty car. It's all spackle coated like it should be in the trunk. We put dual antennas on it. I don't know if I'm a fan of that, but the car's nice and clean underneath. Of course, got you some good pictures of the bottom of the car. Good looking car, man. You guys are welcome to come in, yeah. Seats are nice. Dash is nice. I can't remember if I could get that radio to come out. I'm not the best with these doggone radios, though. I'm not a radio guy. You can go ahead and start it up, Eddie. Talk about a car having eyes, this one's got eyes, man. Fuel gauge works, not much really in there. I know the parking brake works. Doors open and close, nice. Brake lights, Eddie. Turn signals. Give it a little rev. It's got a good sound to it. I know the blower motor works. I can't remember. Yeah, I don't know if I got that to come on, to be honest with you, Eddie. Wipers? No? Thought they were. Checking. I thought they were. Well, the red Camaro, we just did a video on it. Turn signals on. Turn signal. Headlights. Your brights. You can go ahead and shut the lights off, Eddie. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Instagram or our Facebook page. Definitely subscribe to our YouTube page, guys. You can do that by clicking the little button there at the bottom. That way you get a notification every time I post a new video. Let's see how this one runs.